another video. Today we're going to tackle about all of the new working codes here in the game Slime RNG. But before that, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's now start. Now, for the first code we will use is test. So, as you can see, I've already redeemed this code and it gives you 100 coins. Next test. Next code is gullible. And I've already redeemed this and I got 1 coin. Then next code is craft away. The code is already expired. Next code is too much luck. As you can see, I've already redeemed this and it gives you potions. And the last code we will use is give me luck now. This code gives you a lot of potions. That's all guys for today's video. I hope you enjoy and please leave a like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.